Welcome to the Aligning with Source Vibration course from our DNAvatar program. I'm JoAnn Shivanti, and I'm so glad you're here. Before we begin the actual work, I want to take a few minutes to show you exactly how this course is structured. This isn't like most online courses where you binge watch everything in one sitting. This is transformational work that unfolds over weeks or months. And understanding how to work with the materials will make all the difference in your experience. So let's walk through exactly what you have access to and how to use each piece. But first, there's something essential you need to know. The heart of all courses in our DNAvatar program are the soundscapes by Shapeshifter DNA. What makes this course unique isn't just the teachings or the techniques, it's the music and the visual storytelling that accompany the content. The soundscapes you'll experience throughout this course were created by my husband, Gary Chambers, my creative partner, and my twin flame spanning many lifetimes. Gary is a master sound designer and keyboard synthesist who was able to clairaudiently connect to sonic fields of nonlinear information since he was 5 years old. Gary was an old soul on an Earth mission. His music isn't just beautiful sounds. These are multidimensional transmissions. Each composition carries complex frequency patterns designed to support your body and soul with higher balance and focused intent. The sounds guide awakening souls on the journey from 3D consciousness into more expansive 5D realms of life expression and beyond, depending on your soul's unique journey at this time. Each composition contains volumes of data that is released as you establish resonance with the many layers of frequency patterns. Gary ascended in September 2023. We remain creative partners across the veil as I complete the work we began together. My role is to provide the framework, the teachings, and the guidance on how to work with these frequencies. As a psychophysical therapist and shamanic sound healer, I've been working with these soundscapes with thousands of clients in my private practice for years. I know how these frequencies work, what to expect, and how to navigate the journey safely and effectively. But there's another crucial element, the visual transmissions. Using my clairvoyant abilities, I create abstract and fantasy-style art along with creative video stylings that convey higher teachings on multiple levels. These visuals aren't just decoration, they transmit concepts directly to your subconscious, bypassing the analytical mind, activating your third eye. I'm gradually shifting my teachings to guide you in navigating psychedelic realms via shamanic journey techniques. The DNAvatar course series will continue to support you in this adventure as you walk the ascension path. If you want to learn more about us as creators and the deeper story behind this work, I encourage you to watch our intro videos here on our YouTube channel, Temple of the Divine Muse. And when you're ready to go deeper, we also have a course called Introduction to DNAvatar Program, available in our YouTube store or at DNAvatar.com. For now, just know that what you're about to experience is unlike anything else available. This is why the course requires commitment and repetition. These frequencies work on you over time. And know that I am always here to support you when you need it. For those seeking personalized guidance, I'm available for private sessions at thirdeyeguidance.com. Now let's talk about how to work with the course materials. This course has 4 main components, and they work together. Modules. These are instructional videos where I teach you concepts and show you how to work with the practice. Think of these as your orientation and preparation videos. Videos. These are where I share my visual teachings, along with the guided meditations and sound healing experiences. You will begin having direct experiences with Gary's soundscapes. This is where the transformation happens. These range from 30 minutes to 3 hours, a gradual layering of frequencies, establishing resonance at each step. Companion guides. These are downloadable PDFs that help you prepare, track your progress, and integrate what's happening. You can print these or use them digitally. Your journal. This is something you provide. A notebook, a digital journal app, whatever works for you. You'll need this for reflection and integration. Here's how they work together. First, you watch a module to understand what's coming. Then you download the companion guide. Then you prepare yourself using the guide. Then you experience the actual video. Then you use your journal to integrate. Then you repeat the video multiple times over days or weeks. When you're ready, you move to the next module. This is not linear, watch and move on content. This is circular, deepening work. The course follows this progression, which you can follow easily using the course playlist. Watch Module 1 and 2 before you start Video 1. Video 1, Introduction to Source Vibration, 30 minutes. Your gateway into the work. Foundation concepts plus guided journey. Watch at least 7 or more times over 2 weeks or longer before moving forward. Watch Module 3 before starting Video 2. Video 2, Deepening Your Alignment, 90 minutes. Extended content and meditation. DNA activation and Akashic records. Bioenergetic matrix work. Only begin after Video 1 is embodied. Watch Module 4 before starting Video 3. Video 3, Advanced Journey, 3 hours. Streamlined for experienced practitioners, minimal guidance. Preparation for shamanic journey into sleep state. Assumes you know the territory. Watch Module 5 before starting Video 4. Video 4, Shamanic Sleep Journey, 3 hours. Ultimate integration through 3 worlds. Minimal guidance, maximum depth. Only for those who've completed videos 1 to 3. Each video builds on the last. You cannot skip ahead. Your nervous system needs time to integrate each frequency before moving to the next level. Here's your actual workflow. Step 1, watch the module. Start with the instructional module for whichever video you're about to experience. Don't skip this. It prepares you mentally and energetically. Step 2, download the companion guide. Every module has a companion PDF. Download it before you watch the actual meditation video. The link is in the video description. Pro tip: if you're planning to complete the full course, I recommend downloading all the companion guides right now while you're thinking about it. The download links are in this video's description. That way you'll have them ready when you need them, rather than having to hunt for them later. Step 3, complete the preparation section. The companion guide has a preparation checklist. Actually do this. Set up your space, turn off notifications, get your journal ready, set your intention. Step 4, experience the video. Now you're ready for the actual meditation sound healing video. Give yourself the full time. Don't rush. Don't multitask. Step 5, integration time. After the video, don't just jump up and move on. You need 15 minutes minimum to sit in stillness and journal. The companion guide has prompts to help you. Step 6, track your experience. In your companion guide, there are tracker pages for each viewing. Use them. Patterns emerge over multiple viewings that you won't see otherwise. Step 7, repeat. You'll watch each video multiple times. That's not optional. The first viewing is when your mind learns. The later viewings are when your body integrates. Here's what most people get wrong. They think watching it once is enough. It's not. Every video in this course requires a minimum 2-week commitment with at least 7 viewings. That might sound like a lot, but here's why it matters. Week 1, your conscious mind learns the concepts. Your nervous system familiarizes with the frequencies. You're still thinking your way through. Week 2, your subconscious takes over. You surrender deeper. The real shifts become obvious. You notice changes in your daily life. Transformation isn't instant. Your cells need time to reorganize. Your neural pathways need time to rewire. Your energy field needs time to stabilize at higher frequencies. There is no prize for finishing fast. The prize is the transformation itself. You might be wondering whether to print the companion guides or use them digitally. Here's my recommendation. Print them if you love the feel of paper and pen, you want a dedicated workbook for this journey, you have easy access to a printer. Use digitally if you primarily work on phone or tablet. You prefer typing or using note apps. Printing isn't convenient. Either way works. What matters is that you actually use them. The companion guides aren't busy work. They're designed to help you notice what's happening, track patterns across viewings, and assess your readiness to move forward. They keep you from rushing through without integrating. If you don't want to use the companion guides at all, that's your choice. But at minimum, keep a journal and write after every viewing. Don't skip the integration piece. How do you know when you're ready for the next video? Each companion guide has a readiness assessment with specific signs to look for, but here are the universal markers. Integration signs. You've watched the video at least 7 times over 2+ weeks. The practice feels familiar, not foreign. You can drop into a meditative state more easily. Embodiment signs. The concepts make sense in your body, not just your mind. You're noticing shifts in your daily life. There's a quality of cellular recognition happening. Desire signs. You feel genuinely called to go deeper, not just curious. You have energy and capacity for more intensive work. It feels natural, not forced. If those signs aren't there yet, stay with the current video longer. There's no rush. Trust your inner knowing. Source vibration is advanced work. If you're new to meditation, sound healing, or consciousness expansion, you might not be ready yet, and that's completely okay. I have 5 foundation courses that will prepare you. Toe dipping for newbies, free. Start here if you're completely new. Introduction to DNAvatar Program. Learn the system. Following the breath. Breathing techniques for deeper work. Increasing your light quotient. Beginning steps with sound. Becoming sound. Main technique for deep dives. These build the foundation you need. Then come back to source vibration when you're ready. Module 1 has a self-assessment that will help you decide if you should continue with this course or build foundation first. Be honest with yourself. The work will be here when you're ready. Okay, you now understand how this course works. Your next step is simple. Go watch Module 1. Module 1 gives you the complete overview of what source vibration actually is, who this course is for, and the full 4-video structure. It also includes that self-assessment I mentioned. After Module 1, if you're ready to continue, you'll move to Module 2, which teaches you exactly how to work with Video 1. I'm so glad you're here. This work is sacred, and I honor your commitment to your own transformation. Let's begin.